After years of mystery, rumors, and theories, the James Webb Telescope finally revealed something that could change our perception of the universe forever. The first real image of Betelgeuse, the star that everyone thought was on the verge of an explosion, but what James Webb has captured surpasses all expectations. Now, are we looking at a never-before-seen phenomenon? Or is it Betelgeuse just hiding something even more incredible? Betelgeuse, one of the most enigmatic and gigantic stars in the firmament, has always fascinated scientists and the curious. Its intense brightness and size, 1,400 times larger than the Sun, have inspired astronomers throughout ages to observe it with suspicion and also expectation. The massive red star is a supergiant in the constellation Orion. But in recent years, something strange began to happen. Betelgeuse began to lose brightness, and many thought it was close to going supernova. A few years ago, astronomers noticed something surprising. Betelgeuse began to fade, and fast. For a star that shines so brightly, this phenomenon generated a wave of theories and assumptions. Was it dying? Were we about to see a supernova in our own galaxy? Expectations was at an all-time high. The variation in brightness of Betelgeuse was so drastic that we really thought the end was near. A supernova visible from Earth would be an unprecedented event in our modern history. That was a year full of uncertainty. As data were collected, theories of the impending explosion became increasingly popular. But although the brightness fluctuated, the explosion never came. But then came the James Webb Space Telescope, a marvel of human engineering, designed to see further than we had ever imagined. With its launch, the world of astronomy received an unprecedented tool, capable of capturing details of the cosmos like never before. Equipped with a golden mirror of more than 6 meters, the James Webb was created to observe the far reaches of the universe, but also to unravel the mysteries of our own galactic neighborhood. Betelgeuse became a prime target for this mission. Could the James Webb give us a clue as to what really is going on at the heart of Betelgeuse? Is it possible that we're looking at a phenomenon that defies the known laws of astrophysics? The wait for a concrete answer was almost unbearable for the scientists. And finally, but the image arrived. The first real, high-resolution photograph of Betelgeuse taken by the James Webb Telescope. This image is not only beautiful, but it offers a new perspective on this red supergiant. However, it was not what scientists expected to see. Though the James Webb Infrared Eye, Betelgeuse not only appeared huge, but it revealed a strange pattern on its surface, something that until now could only be guessed at. The scientists noticed that far from being a dying, dull star, the star had hot spots and large, bright spots, as if it were in full activity. These images showed that Betelgeuse is surrounded by a vast cloud of gas and dust, that it is built itself, and that violent explosions occurred on its surface, giving it a turbulent and changing appearance. This activity could be responsible for the variation in its brightness. With the James Webb image, the surface of Betelgeuse is known as a cosmic battlefield. Huge regions brighten and dim in a matter of weeks, which is unusual for a star of its size and age. These explosions, called stellar mass ejections, can eject material in all directions, creating spectacular clouds of gas surrounding the star. This unpredictable and extreme behavior in Betelgeuse has sparked several theories among scientists. Some think it is a sign that the star is about to enter its final phase, while others believe it may be stabilizing. But one thing is clear: Betelgeuse is behaving in a way we have never before witnessed in a star of its type. What we're seeing in Betelgeuse is something that challenges our knowledge of star life. While we know the death process of a giant star, the Betelgeuse data suggests that we may have been underestimating the complexity of this phase. The image captured by the James Webb not only reveals details of a dying star, it also makes us reflect on the cosmic timescales in our own place in the universe. If Betelgeuse exploded into a supernova, the event would be visible from Earth for weeks, lighting up our night sky like a second sun. but without any danger to our planet. Although we are safe from any direct threat, the event could alter our understanding of the cosmos. The amount of energy released in such an explosion would be monumental and would offer astronomers a unique opportunity to study a supernova in real time. For scientists, a Betelgeuse explosion would be like witnessing a rare and spectacular life astrophysics lesson. We could learn how these phenomena distribute essential elements like iron and oxygen, which eventually form planets and even life. The James Webb image not only illuminates the life and death of stars, but also has a crucial implication for the future of space exploration and science. Observing phenomena of this magnitude could reveal secrets about the formation of planetary system and how the essential elements for life spread throughout the universe. In fact, much of the elements in our own solar system originated in stellar explosions of this type. Even atom of oxygen in our lungs and every atom of carbon in your body was forged in the core of a giant star. In a way, watching the end of Betelgeuse is like watching the end of life itself. As astronomers, it is a privilege to be able to study these events. They remind us that we are connected to the cosmos in ways we are still trying to understand. Every time a giant star like Betelgeuse dies, it gives rise to new systems, perhaps even new planets and life forms. The James Webb Telescope has not only given us an unprecedented view of Betelgeuse, its mission is just beginning. From distant galaxies to potentially habitable planets, the James Webb designed to look farther than we have ever reached. What is captured so far is just the beginning of a revolution in astronomy. The image of Betelgeuse is one of many wonders that Webb could reveal in the coming years. From star formation to the search for life, each observation represents an opportunity to unlock the deepest secrets of the universe. The James Webb is a window into the past and the future of the cosmos. Every image and every piece of data collected by this revolutionary telescope may rewrite what we all know about the universe, and perhaps one day even answers the questions that has intrigued us all since the dawn of time. Are we alone in the universe? What do you think of this new image of Betelgeuse captured by the James Webb? Do you think we are about to witness the spectacle of a supernova? Tell us in the comments what you think about this discovery. And if you want to keep up to date with the wonders that the James Webb will continue to show us, don't forget to subscribe, like this video, and activate the notification bell. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll be seeing you in the next video.